Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change currency in Roblox. Hello everyone. Let's begin. So first let's go into roblox.com right here. And from here, as you can see, I would need to log in. So make sure that you are currently logged out from Roblox before you proceed. So Roblox doesn't have a feature that lets us users to change the currency in game. So what we're going to do is that we are going to utilize VPN so that we would be able to change our location, and hence we would be able to also change the currency because the currency would follow our location. So first let's go and enable our VPN. So in my case, I'll just be using this simple VPN right here. I'll be connecting into Australia right here, and it's connection error. Let's go for another, maybe go Austria, just like that. So let's just connect to other VPNs, and as you can see, I am now connected. So now I will be logging in and log in right here, and I think we would be able to log in right away, or maybe we would be solving some puzzles. And as you can see, it's really slow. And now let's go start a puzzle. Let's just solve this puzzle right here. So let me just fast forward into this so that you won't be bored. And now for the final puzzle right here. So let me just solve this and it's done. Right there, now verification complete. Now we will be able to log in now into Roblox. And now we would need to go here into the Robux. So click on the Robux and click on buy Robux. And from here you can see that the Robux currency has now been changed just like that. And that is basically how you do it. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.